welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. I'm Victoria and this is a healthy lifestyle channel. Today I will be making a simple, easy oil to use in your hair that's going to strengthen your hair, grow your hair and thicken your hair. And if you have a lot of strong and gray hair, it will get rid of your gray hair. Today I will be making onion oil. You know, onion oil is a big thing. It's how to grow your hair rapidly. So come on in my kitchen. Let me show you how I get beautiful hair. This is not my first time using onion in my hair. I've used onion juice, left it in my hair overnight and washed out the next day. You know, red onion oil, it's promote hair growth. It's increase your blood flow and nourish your hair scalp to grow your hair. And it's also prevent dandruff, and I heard that it prevent your hair from gray. So I did find a gray hair in my hair a couple of months ago. So I'm going to use a lot of onions to make sure that it prevent my hair from gray up, you know. So, but this is a serious note. Onion have a lot of sulfur in it, and it also help to grow your hair a lot if you use this very regular, maybe twice a week, to just massage your hair scalp so it can just improve your blood flow through your scalp and nourish it and grow your hair, strengthen your hair and give you that thick luscious hair. As you see how easy it is to make this onion oil. And the grapeseed oil have rich source of vitamin A and vitamin E, so you have the best of both worlds to grow our hair. Funniest thing, this doesn't smell any way to me. It just smells like onion oil. Maybe it's because I used the grapeseed oil in it, but it doesn't have any smell. So you can put your mind at ease that your hair, you're not gonna walk around and smell like onion. Just make sure you let yours cool before you transfer it in your mason jar. I love the way this looks. So it's cool now, so I'm just going to strain it off and in my mason jar and just let it go, and then just use it in my hair when I wash my hair. So this is what one red onion gets me. And these is in my hair. This can use in my hair roughly around 3 times. Just massage your hair scalp. It's all about your hair scalp. You massage your hair scalp perfectly, and then whatever you use, you can just put it to the end of your hair. But you also do your hair scalp first. This is just easy to make. As you see, easy just to make it and grow your hair. You can use it in your hair, and also not just girls alone, but men who are getting bald, you can use this in your hair, and it does not matter the texture of your hair, whether you have fine hair or thick hair or your race, you could still use onion oil in your hair, and it does not smell anyway. It doesn't have this strong onion scent if you worry about it. It does not. Super easy to make for your hair. And if you have a request for another video that you'd like me to make, welcome to make a request. And as long as it is humanly possible, I will be more than happy to make it for you guys. Because you guys are everything to me. I love you guys. And don't forget to hit like on this video, leave a comment below, share this video, and if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, just hit the red subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so when I upload new videos you will get a notification. And don't forget to follow me on Insta. come over on Facebook and say hello on my Facebook page, Victoria Birthright Official, and check out my blog and victoriabirthright.com, guys. Thank you guys for supporting me. I cannot wait to show you my next video.